Good day, guys. I welcome you all to this part of our training. Today, we'll be learning how to make whiteboard animation using just your smartphone. And guess what? It is very, very easy. Now, and it's very, very important. It's one of the important aspects that you have to know in video editing. So I'll be teaching you all this. Don't worry, I'll be teaching you everything you have to know. Now, first thing, you want to go to your Play Store, and we are going to be using this app called Benemy. So this app Benemy. So search for Benemy. So once you click on it, you are going to see this is it. This is the app Benemy. Alright, click on it and install it. Now, for the sake of this class, I'll just uninstall and install it again. Okay, once it is going to bring this exact interface, click on install and let's wait for it to install. Alright, so once you are done installing, click on open. Just click on open. All right. Okay, so this is our Benemy app interface. This is our Benemy app. Don't worry, if you are an iPhone user, I've already dropped a tutorial on how to create animation using your smartphone, because this Benemy app is not available for the iOS user. Okay, if you are using iPhone, so just click on the second link I dropped, so you'll be able to view the tutorial for iPhone users. So for Android users, you can just go ahead and watch this video. All right, so you can I heard that some Android users are not able to access it, so just keep calm. All right, just keep calm, and if you are not able to access it, try using the second link. If you are not able to use Benemy on Android in your side, try using the second link and do the tutorial for Android user. I want everybody to participate in this, and I want you guys to submit after practicalizing all these things. Now, first thing you have to do on your app. Now, we don't have any project yet. Now, come and click on this plus icon. So we are here. So here we can create our first project. Now, project name, I'll name it project 1. And note, you can't have spaces between the name of your project. Now let me add a space and write 1. So if I click on create new project, all right, create new project, you see down here, see, let me try it again. See down here, can you see? So it's telling me there's a space between my name, so I'm gonna delete the space and create new project again, and here we are now. Okay, so there's something I want to show you guys first before we move on. Let me click on create a new project again, or in fact let me delete this. There's something I want to show you. Now click on create new project. Okay, there's something I want to show you. Now project 1. Okay, so now you can choose the size of your project, like the size, they call it canvas. You can choose the size. Maybe if you want YouTube size, or a 1080 by 1080, you can choose this here. Do you know why I click? I'm sorry. So see this place. Just click on this text. All right, click on it. Click on the text, so you can see these are sizes that you can choose. Depends on what app you are using it on. So but generally most of the time I use the default version, YouTube 1080. All right, so you can actually change the size. Now if I use this okay, so if I use this, you see how the size looks. All right, let's say I want to use another size, like let me use TikTok one. Okay, and I'll just click back. Okay, so and create an animation. Let's call it Pro 1. So can you see it changes? All right, but I'll be using this project one, this size. I'll be using this. So now it's very easy. And first thing you want to do in any project you want to go for, in any project, in any video you want to make, you don't want to have watermark on your videos. All right, now let's say you create a project for a client and it's now having watermark. It doesn't make sense, like it doesn't look professional. So it's not something advisable for you as a professional to be having watermark on your images and on your videos. Is very poor. All right, first you want to do here is to remove the watermark. You see, this is what I mean by watermark. This thing is what I mean by watermark. So you have to remove it, get rid of it. So just click on it. All right, click on it, click here. So it's going to ask you, do you want to wash ads or do you want to remove permanently? If you click on remove permanently, that means you have to subscribe. All right, like you have to pay for the pro version. So you can see it's bringing my card details below so that I can pay. But let's say we are using the free for now. So just click on wash ads and it's going to play some ads for you. So let me pause this video till the ad is done. All right, now I've watched the video. I've watched the ad video. It's gonna play it's gonna play for some, I think it's 1 minute. So I actually pause the video so that it won't be taking a lot of our time. Now this is the Benemy app interface. You see, this is the background. So first thing, you can decide to change the background. Yes, you can change the background. See here, this place, you can change the background from there. The BG, just click on the BG. So it will ask you if you want to change the background to image or color. So if you want to use color, just click on select color. All right, so you can choose any color you like. Let's say I choose this color for instance, and I click select. So you can see it changes my background to blue. Can you see that? So let's say I want to use image. Click on the BG. Yeah, click here, click on the BG, then select the image. All right, just click on select image, then your image will all appear here. If you are not seeing your image here, like you should have a preview of your image. If you are not seeing it here, come to this side, the three sticky bar at the left top corner, click on it. I'm not seeing this. So select image. So click on this, look at the top at the left. All right, you see three stick bar, click on it. Then you can go click on the images, go to images. So it will take you here. For instance, now you select anywhere you want your image. If the image is downloaded, so you can go and look for downloaded image, or anywhere you save the image, so you can select it from here. In my own case, I downloaded let's say I downloaded the image. So if I click on download, as you can see, everything is now appearing here. Now let's say I want to use this background. So there's a space where you can crop it. You can crop it to the size you like. So, and I click on OK, you can see my background is changed. Can you see that my background is now changed? All right. So but in this case I don't want to use that, so I'm going to change my background back to color, and I'll leave it at white. All right, I'll leave it at white. Now you can actually change it with numbers also, I think. Sorry, so just scroll here, and this is white. I was trying to like use FFFF, so once you click on 6F, which is changed to white also. Anyway, my watermark is actually back. So if this thing is happening to you also, don't fret. All right, don't fret. One thing about this app is that you have to always save your work. Okay, so if you want to save your work, you save it from here. All right, I'm just trying to like explain the interface for you first, but we can actually remove the watermark after we're done with the class, so don't fret. So let's just continue what we're doing. So I'm gonna use this white background, and now it is time to get to work. All right, so if you want to type text, use here, you come here to type your text. So if you click on it now, and let's say you want to add this let me just type something random, and you click on insert. So as you can see, your text is here. All right, your text is actually here. Okay, so but if you are just wanting to, you just want to type here. All right, but I already have what I want to put in my project. I already have the text already in my notepad. I already have it in my notepad, and this is what I will always recommend. So if you want to work on a project and you want to use texts, make sure you already have the text in your notepad or wherever you want to save it. So anyway, just come here and copy. So in my own case, these are what I need for my project. So let's start from the first one. I'll copy it and come back to Benjamin. Now you click on the text icon, then you paste it here. All right, paste what you need, paste it here. Now, so once you paste it here, click on insert. Okay, click on insert. So you can adjust your font size here if you like. You can adjust the font size. So in my own case, I'm going to adjust it to like, I can adjust it to 80, or let me use 100 instead. So can you see? So if you click here, it's going to centralize all your text. You can see is in left side. Now if you click on this thing, it's going to centralize it. Can you see that? All right, so you can also increase it, decrease it with this button, and increase it with this button. Do you understand? So if I click on this with this button, this one, you see that my text will get smaller, 99, 98, so it will be getting smaller, but I want to leave it at 100. all right, so okay, so you can drag this up, click at the center and drag it to the up, and drag this up, so like this. Now it is time. Now I can add image to my design. I can now add images to my design. Now let me play this for example. You see there will be a hand. The hand will be anything you type on the screen, the hand will be illustrating it by itself. Now just click go scroll here, you can see this hand, you see hand here. Now click on the hand. Can you see? You can now select any type of hand you want to use. So let's say for example you want the hand to be like this. Let me play this first and you see how it looks like. To play, use this icon to play. So let me play it. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, but let's say I want to change this hand icon. So you can come here and choose whichever one you like. So let's say I want this brush stuff. So and I play it. Can you see? Can you see? But if you don't want any hand, you just want the text to be typed, you can choose on this. You see, it's the first one. So if you choose on it, the text will just keep appearing without any hand or any animation. All right, it's very easy. It's very easy. But in my own case, I will go for this hand. So now let me teach you how to export your image. Now there's a difference between background and image. This is the background. I've teach you how to use background. Now if you want to select image, all right, you want to add image to it, use elements. Like this thing is very interesting. So if you are working as a video editor, don't see it as something hard, always see it as something interesting, and trust me, it's a lot of fun. Now click on element. So you click on add image or GIF. All right, click on that. So if you click on this, it will take you to your image interface. Or just if you are not seeing this, just click on the sticky bar and go and select the one that you like. So this is the image I want to use. So you can see. So if you want to expand your image, click on this thing, make it bigger. Okay, so you can put it, bring it down, or zoom it in a little. All right, this line, this blue and red line that you are seeing, is for positioning. All right, so this blue line is telling me that I'm positioning it in the middle, like in the middle, vertically. Is it vertically? I mean, yeah, horizontally in the middle. So now what is more interesting is that this thing now, like this image that I asked, you'll be seeing the hand. It will be acting as if the hand is drawing the images by itself. Now let me play it. Let me play this. Can you see? Awesome, interesting. Like this is very interesting. Okay, this is very interesting. All right, you can even add an animation to it. Now let's say I want to add this animation. Click on the click on what you want to select. Click on the click on the image. All right, click on it and click on animation. Can you see animation here? Click on animation. So this is slide left, slide right. If I click on slide left, now let's see. Can you see? It will come from the left. Now let me play it and let's see. Let me play it. Okay, can you see that? But I want the hand to draw it. I want the hand to be drawing it, so I'll leave it at default. All right, so you can do it all you like. So now let's go to the next slide. Okay, now to go to the next slide, to add another slide to it, click on this plus icon. So once you click on it, it will add another slide. Can you see this? You can see this, the number two slide. Now this is number two slide. let me go and copy the text. Create a video, create videos for business owner. Okay, now I'm gonna add my text and paste it here. Very easy. Now let me increase the font to 100 also. 100. So I'm going to centralize it. Remember this, centralize. So centralize. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Next thing, you can actually change the color of your text. All right, you can change the color. So to change the color of your text, click on this select color. Now click on it and click on any color you like. Okay, so you can go to custom color to select the, you can drag here. If you want blue, let's say you want blue, drag it up to the blue side. All right, to the blue side, and select wherever. You pick anywhere you like. So let me pick somewhere here and select. Can you see it's gonna change it to blue? All right, it's gonna change it to blue. But let's say let's say I want to leave it at red, or let me just leave it at black. All right, so you can change it to whichever color you like. So but I'll just leave it at black. Okay, so the image, create videos for business owner. So I'm gonna click on element again, go to add image. I will look for which picture is suitable for create business owner, create videos. So let me use this one. Yes, awesome. Let me use this one. So you can crop it. It's because I have a white background. I've shown you how you can crop in the when we are adding the background, right? So just select, click on, if you are having white background also, just use somewhere, drag on somewhere here, drag it down. So but if you are not having white background, then you should be seeing it how you can go about that. So drag it down, you come here and drag it from somewhere here also, you can see. So drag it, and I can also drag here. All right, okay, I'll click on OK. So I want to increase it, you increase it here. Okay, can you see that? Amazing. Like this is amazing. This is amazing. Now let me play it again. Now see, let me play it again. No, I think I don't want to use animation for this. This one, I said I don't want to use animation, so I don't. Yes, I want it at default. I want the hand to be drawing it. Now let me play it. Can you see that? Now to go to the next slide, just click on 2. All right, click on 2 and click on play. Also click on play. This thing is on. I'm coming. Hold on. Now the second slide, click on play page. Click on play page. All right. All right. Can you see that? Now let's go to the next slide. Click on plus icon. Let's go to the next slide. So what's my thoughts? Where's my second text? I will advise you to always watch the tutorial to the end, because there will be some videos, there will be some questions that you want to ask. Now if you don't watch it to the end, how will you possibly ask question? And most of your question, I've already answered it in this tutorial. Most of your questions has been answered in this tutorial. So now imagine me attending to a whole lot of guys. I have hundreds of hundreds to thousands of people I'm attending to, and now hundreds of you are asking same question which I've already answered in the tutorial. You're not asking me again already, so that would be a lot of work to me. So I'll advise to always watch every of my tutorial to the end. All right, now in this slide also I will just the third okay in the third slide also I will just insert my text. All right, so now I will centralize it and drag it up. Now let me go and bring in my image. So which image is best for this? Collaboration image is best for collaboration. I can actually use this. Let me use this. I think this will be amazing also. See, this should be amazing also. Amazing. Now you can see the image is covering the text. Now if you are in this situation, just reduce the text. Just reduce the text, the numbers, just reduce it. Let me reduce it to like 85, and let's see. Okay, I'm gonna drag it up. Okay, can you see now? I think it's perfect like this. Perfect. Okay, so I want the image to be in the center. So now let me play this. So collaborate with online entrepreneurs and earn percentage. Oh, that and is not showing. So let me reduce it. I'll just click on this with this icon. Reduce. Okay. I think this should be okay. This should be better. All right. Okay. So very interesting. So now to the next slide. Okay. What is my text here? So what is package your knowledge as a course and sell them to others? All right. So if you want to save your work, all right, don't mind all this jam pack though. It usually appear like that sometimes. So if you want to save your work, click here to save your work. But that is not enough to only save your work. All right. There's a way that you can there's a way you can save your work on your phone. But this one you just saved is saving it on the Benemy app. Just like when you download stuff on YouTube. So when you click on download, it should be on YouTube. It is not gonna be on your device storage. So it's same thing as this also. So to the fourth slide, I've copied my text. I've copied my slide, so I'm just gonna paste it here. So paste. Okay. Now let me see if I should increase this to 100 or 80. So I'm gonna centralize it. All right. Now let me add image. Which image will be suitable for this kind of scenario? Now always look at the scenario and always assume what image, what type of image will best suit for this. All right, I think this is better. Yeah, so let me crop this a little bit. Let me crop this. Now don't worry, I'll show you how you can download your images. I'll show you how you can download your images on online. Okay, So now you are not limited to only using if you notice, I'm using black and white images, so you are not limited to that. All right, so you can actually use any colored images also. So if you like, if you like, and you can use colored images also. So but I'm just using this, like I just use this based on the fact that I have the images on my phone already. So you can go ahead and download. Now I'll show you how you can download. Now the last part is, I wanna put it that created by me. Okay, created by me. So I just wanna add something like created by me, or um designed by me. So let me use an image for this. So which image do I have suitable? Okay, to show you guys that you can actually use colored image. So let me use this as an example. Alright. So do I need to crop? Let me see, it works like this. So I'm gonna expand it. So I don't necessarily need the image heads to show. Do you understand? So I don't need that. Alright, so let me place it because I want the text to show, so I don't necessarily need the image to show. Now okay, so here I will just type should I use designed or by, let me design by. So let me increase this to like 80 or so. Signed by. So let me change the color for this. Let's say I wanna use which color matches the. Before you change color, always take note of the if you are using blue for your headings, use blue all through. So you get your work to be professional. Always be constant with any color you are using. Now, I want to match this color of my text to the color of the boys. I mean the image. So it has blue in the image. It has fish this kind of color. Let me take this blue tie color. This blue tie color. Let me take it. I think the blue is quite deep, so let me use costume. So I might not actually get it right, but at least can you see it almost matches. All right, so let me just leave it like this, designed by. So in your own case, just write your name. In my own case, let me just write Bebe. All right, designed by Bebe. So let me just increase it to 200. Sorry, 100. All right. So now I can change the font. I didn't teach you guys how to change font. Like the font of the text, you can change the font here. Just click on this A icon. Can you see? Can you see? Then you can change any font you like. Let me use this. Let me use the first one. Let me use the first one. Let me increase my name to 200. The maximum of font size is 300. Okay, so you can still use 200. All right, so that will be all for today. Now before I close the class, let me teach you how to save. Now if you want to save your work, first click here so that it will save on the app, so it is automatically saved. Now for you to save it on your device, it's not saved on your device. So before I save, let me remove this watermark. Remember, So if it has removed from your own side at the first, but when you leave the app to go to another app on some device just like mine, so it will bring back the watermark again. But on some device it will, the watermark will be gone for good. All right, so if your watermark is still here, just click on the watermark itself and watch ads. Now I'm done removing the watermark. Just click on it, and if it's not working, just click on the other option. So once you click on it, short cancel it and click on watch ads again. So probably it will, sometimes it's not network that causes it, you just have to do like that. All right, so now please don't submit your assignment with watermark for me. Please don't with watermark. Make sure you remove the watermark. All right, so now if you want to save now, use this. Can you see this share icon? Click on it, and it said name your movie. I'll just name it project 1 or so. You remember there should be space between or after. So if you save it project 1, make movie, you can save it wherever you like. So allow the app to render, to save on your device. Now don't pause it, don't do anything, just leave it to save. Don't click here. What I mean by don't stop it, don't click on this side. Can you see this pause icon? Don't go and click on it, don't click on it. So just allow it to load and save. Okay, it's saving it slide by slide. Now next thing I'll teach you how you can download image from online. So now your project is saved. All right, if you want to view it, you can just play, but if you want to share it, you can just click on share. So let's say you want to submit your assignment at once, click on share, and it will bring the WhatsApp option. From there you can share. So once you click on WhatsApp, so you can share it directly to the class. So now you can go ahead. Let me check my gallery. So let me just check it out if it's saved or not. Should be on downloads, videos. Can you see that? Oh, another thing I want to show you guys. One last thing. Yeah, one last thing I would love to show you guys is that actually, you can see it's kind of boring. All right, this thing is kind of boring. Let me show you how you can add music or background song to your project so that it won't be boring. Okay, I think. Okay, so just click here, click on music. Okay, click on music. Allow by using the app. So it's going to take me to my device audio. So click on this music again, click on it. So audio, do I have any audio for this? Anyone I can use? I'm coming. Let me now let's play it and see. So you can add you add your music and save. Let me save it again. So first I'm going to get rid of this and save again. So, and that is it for that. All right, that is it for that. So now let's say you want to download stuff. Now let me teach you how you can download your download reference for your video, your images. So just go to Chrome, and go to the search bar. All right, me say 3D illustration. That is if you are using whiteboard, okay, of a teacher. All right, I see. Like if you go to images, it's going to bring a lot for you. I see. So you can choose anyone you like. So let's say you want to use the black and white, like the one I used that looks like sketches. So it says 3G sketch illustration. Can you see? And you have something like this. Now to download. So now let's say I want to use. This. Now let's say I want to use this. Just long press on it. Long press on the image itself. Long press on it. Alright, long press and click on download image, so it should be downloaded on your device. Alright, that will be the conclusion part of today's tutorial, and I hope you really watch this to the end. Now just make me proud by doing your assignments and submit it to the group. Let's preview, so you can do better than the one I created. You can do better, you guys can do better. So make me proud. Alright, see you. I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial.